Hello guys, in this video we're gonna see how change the color of an Excel sheet tab. Tabs like this, for example. Imagine you have like one of these tabs, you want to distinguish from the other tabs. For example, you have like a big Excel sheet and you have many tabs. You maybe have like 30 tabs or something, and you want to easily find the tab in between these tabs. So one way is to basically change the color of this tab. So we're going to learn how to do that in this video. Basically, you come to the tab, you choose a tab like, left click and then right click on the tab and tab color. Very easy. You can change the color now. Let's choose, for example, red. Okay. It's reddish now because we choose the tab. Once we go to another tab, it will be completely red as you see. So you can easily go to it. Let's do another example. This tab here, tab 1, let's make it, for example, blue. If we choose another tab, it will be completely blue. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye-bye.